Once you have placed and positioned your walls and elements, you can move on to organising the layout of the rest of the free space in the room, starting with furniture. It is recommended to start with working out the layout of the angles. To do so, depending on the catalogue you are using, you have some angle fillers at your disposal. Most of them have what is called a graphic aid. This is a dotted silhouette that will let you position an angle filler very fast. As an example, we shall take the angle filler from the standard catalogue Generic Kitchen, a catalogue with brand that you can change as much as your heart desires. In our example, the walls are at a 90-degree angle, so we will use a 90-degree filler. If you drag and drop it in the angle, you will see that it fits in automatically, and the dotted lines help you as a good benchmark. Be aware that you can modify the depths independently. For the filler's width, you can check them by clicking on it, then right-clicking and choosing Attributes. Corner cabinets can be placed in the same way. You can then position the other elements by magnetizing them to each other. Take, for example, a piece of furniture. Slide it against the filler in place. Thanks to the magnetization, the piece of furniture is placed correctly and automatically. You can position and place all of your furniture in this manner. For wall units, you can equally proceed in the same manner. Most catalogues have angle fillers at 90 degrees or 135 degrees with graphic aid, the dotted silhouette. For angles other than 90 degrees and 135 degrees, we advise you to watch our dedicated tutorial on the subject. You are now ready to position your furniture.